In a previous session, we learned how to hide sheets from the user while still including them in the workbook using the workbook manifest. There are also sheets, such as pivot tables, charts, and graphs, which are considered static or non-cuboid sheets. When the workbook is downloaded from the portal, it initially contains no data, causing these static sheets to either display errors or show outdated data. Therefore, these sheets should be hidden when downloading the template from the portal. In the video Adding User Macros, we learned how to add macros to our workbook. We will use that knowledge to add a macro to hide any static sheets in our workbook. We have two such sheets, TXN Pivot Table and TXN Graph. Open the VBA editor and create the following macro. In the code, we are looking at the two sheets and changing their visible property to very hidden. The names of the sheets should be spelled correctly. Let us run the code to see the results. Notice that the sheet became hidden and another sheet is now showing in the same place. When we look at the workbook, we don't see the two sheets after the Account Summary tab. If we look for hidden sheets, the two sheets do not appear there either. This is because we made them very hidden. However, we can see these sheets from the VBA editor. And when we locate them, we can change their visible property to visible, thus making the sheets visible to us again in the workbook. We can see the two sheets after the Account Summary sheet. And when we click on each of the sheets, we will find that the data is also still there. Before publishing the template to the portal, we should ensure that the static sheets are hidden. We can do so by running the macro to hide these sheets. Anytime we add a static sheet, we will need to edit the macro to hide the sheet. In the next session, we will focus on how to unhide static sheets automatically when data is downloaded into a blank application workbook.